Today we're going to explore the rainforest. Do you know how complex rainforests really are?
Let's go explore.
First of all, rainforests account for about 50% of all animal and plant life in the world. The typical climate of a rainforest consists of an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and an annual precipitation of 60 millimeters per month. Tropical rainforest consists of 5 layers. The ground layer, the shrubs and the saplings, which is the understory, the lower canopy, upper canopy, and then the emergent canopy at the top.
The ground level is where all plant life begins and ends. The seeds make it to the ground by animals such as birds and bats who eat the seeds and then leave them, and then the seeds begin to germinate and grow. Decomposition occurs when leaves fall to the ground and organisms, microorganisms, decompose them. The next layer of the rainforest is the shrub layer. Bats use these types of leaves and they cut underneath it so that it bends to protect them while sleeping.
The lower canopy is the third layer of the rainforest. Termites use this area in order to build nests on the trunks of trees. In order to get to the trunks of the trees, they have to use the other previous layers as well. They make tunnels and use this to travel from the ground all the way up to the trunks of the trees. The fourth layer is called the upper canopy. This is where animals such as birds, monkeys, and even iguanas can be found. They utilize the tree branches in order to rest, move about, or obtain food.
The topmost layer of a rainforest is called the emergent canopy. Tall trees fall over due to such conditions. Once there is a forest gap, these small trees grow rapidly because they can get to the sun easier. These structures, large structures, are called buttresses that allow for more support because the trees are so high and have to deal with the heavy winds and rains in order to survive.
All 5 layers of the rainforest are important because they are all interrelated, and we should save the rainforest because of its abundance of plants and animals.